No, no.
It's not funny, is it? It's actually quite serious. So we're leaving Phuket and we're heading to Koh Phi Phi Islands now. And guys, this ferry is a little bit questionable. It's giving me a little bit of a heebie-jeebies. As long as I don't get seasick, because I get seasick really badly. As long as I don't end up throwing up. It's about a 2-hour ferry. And now we're going to be in Koh Phi Phi Island. Just stuck to Koh Phi Phi. Now, ooh. We need to go find somewhere to stay because we haven't booked anywhere. So we're gonna go have a look at everywhere and see what tickles our fancy. You have to pay 20 baht to get in. You have to pay 20 baht even though we just paid to get here by the boat. Like, for what? You did this for what? But 20 baht is literally like, what? 50p? Is it? It's like 50p, so like. But you get so used to the cheap prices that when you do have to pay for shit like that, you're like, what? Because you're used to just spending like hardly anything. So we're gonna walk 11 minutes to Blanco Hostel, which we looked up online. It's like the cheapest one on here, so let's go see if they've got space. It's like a beach there. There's a guy. There's what?
Voyagers Hostel there.
Okay, so it says it's this way. We always find the weirdest, most random hostels. Right, okay. It might be like around here. Got a farm outside. So guys, we're kind of lost. We've come down this road like twice now. We found it. Guys, so we're in the hostel. This is my bed for the night. I think we're gonna go for food and then see what Fifi's all about. Maybe go out for drinks. Look how pretty this is with his hat because it's very sunny out tonight.
I'm covering the hair, to be honest.
Yeah, why? You don't like it?
Well, I think I will like it in a couple of days, but it just needs to mature.
Yeah, I'm on top. We're in Koh Phi Phi and so far so good. We're gonna book a boat trip for tomorrow. Let's see what they've got. Full day trip to see around Phi Phi Islands. Start at Shark Point, Bamboo Island, leave Bamboo, arrive Mosquito Island. Don't like the sound of that island. Mosquito Island? That's like the worst sound ever. Leave to Phi Phi. But aren't we already in Phi Phi? Monkey Beach? Should we do this? This goes everywhere. Trip includes the tour guide, 2 meals, water, life jacket, mask, snorkel. Should we ask?
We're going to the national park.
Oh, thank you. We ended up just going with the first one that we seen. She could have been ripping us off royally, but to be fair, that's a lot.
That's a lot for 600 baht.
600, and you get food, so like, it was 600 baht for...
The only thing that feels like a rip-off
is the national park price. Jesus! You have to pay £400 to go into the national park.
That's
so
basically a tenner.
yeah, but I suppose it is to keep it preserved, so like, but still, like, 400 baht. Oh my god, hi! So I ordered a cocktail and
To be fair, this is a lovely touch.
I got a bucket. It's a nice bucket as well. It's like seafood. I am drunk. I basically drank this whole thing. Tipsy. Oh, like, welcome to Disney Channel. Absolutely fucking blooded. And the director's going, cut. Like, I've had 4 shots. Selena, you didn't get it right. I'm a liar. And she's like, I'm trying. Have you seen it?
Cool.
Normally 450, 470.
Oh, I thought it was 400.
Okay, sorry.
Freddie didn't pay the bill.
I'm sorry.
We've done that twice now.
I know. But
We've
that, no,
walked
but
out
did
with
you
not
see
paying.
that?
Yeah,
Did
it
you
looked
see
like
that?
a
It looked
400.
proper.
In Freddie's defence, it looked like a 400,
was
not a
properly
5.
400.
Disney logo. But there's nothing about it. Disney. Hi, my name's Beth Seller and welcome to Disney Channel. Yeah, tattoo. Guys, leave a comment down below if you think we get one.
Get
Oh my god, wine for life.
Live, laugh, laugh.
Live, laugh, laugh. Go. This is our hostel, guys, with a fire show. Love it. So we're hungover as shit, and we're going on a long-tail boat around the island. We're stopping at Monkey Beach, Maya Beach. The trip lasts all day, so it's 10 AM now, and I think we're getting back at like, what time? 7? It's like a sunset boat, and then you also go swimming with plankton, and they like light up apparently, but I don't know if that'll actually happen. I also kind of want to see some sharks and some turtles, because we didn't get to do that in Koh Phi Phi. Well, we tried, but we failed. Okay, so we've stopped, and he said half an hour snorkel. Kind of scared I'm going to drown because I'm so tired. Right, let's go in. Whee! Let's go! This has cured my hangover instantly. So the fish was really cute, yeah. But there was literally only that type of fish. But they swim really close to you, which was cute. But that was the only type of fish in there. We're about to go into the national park, so we have to pay 400 baht to get in. We are the most close people ever. I don't even know where the fuck we are right now. But I think we're in the national park. I'm not sure. This reminds me of like a proper paradise beach, this. Like it looks like somewhere you'd get stranded, you know what I mean? Okay guys, we're deliriously hungover. This is my life sometimes. Like, just hungover. In probably one of the prettiest places I've ever seen in my life. You know, vibing. Wanna try in the Wales? In the Wales, everything's like that. Maybe you need food. Know what I'm gonna eat. Other than that, chilling. I just got stung by a jellyfish. We just had like 2 hours on this gorgeous beach, and now we're getting back in the long-tail boat and we are going somewhere else. I will find out where it is. I don't actually know where we're headed. Maybe Monkey Island? We've just been at Bamboo Island. We found out what it was. So we're at Monkey Island. Apparently the monkeys steal things, so I'm not going to take my phone on with me. Guys, this is so cool. Monkey Island. You know what it is. It's absolutely stunning here as well. It's so pretty. Guys, I'm just chilling with a monkey. He's not even like fazed by me or anything. He literally isn't bothered. Isn't that quite mad that they're so used to humans that like I didn't scare him at all? So this is me and my bro. What's his name? What do you think his name is?
Do you reckon the monkeys are thinking like these are just the weird species that come and look at us?
Yeah. Do you know, like, sometimes you sit there and you think, is this happening? It's just like literally so many monkeys everywhere. Like I'm just walking with a monkey. There's just monkeys chilling everywhere. I'm like, where? Like, look at everyone. We're all just like following them around, taking pictures. They must think we're so weird. They must just think like, who are these people taking pictures of me? Let's go see what Fred's doing. The monkey just rubbed it out of this man's hand. Ah, there you go.
Yeah.
Don't litter. No littering. Could at least put it in the bin. So we've left Monkey Island, and that was honestly one of the experiences I've ever lived. That was so crazy. And now I'm not sure where we're going. There's so many places on the page with like this trip. Oh god, like we were so sick of it back. Like a whole day doing things that we're not even doing together. We're going until like the monkeys just like not even phased at all. Like it was like obviously like wild. We're somewhere new. We didn't find any sharks. I just think the universe does not want us to see any baby sharks or turtles. I will see a shark before we go home. It's my goal, it's my mission. I actually don't know where we are right now, but we're walking to Bay, apparently, so I guess that's what's happening. My theory is we are in the national park. I feel like we should know what's going on, but we're too hungover for that. Welcome to my bay. Is this the one off the beach? Is this the famous one? Or am I picking that up? Is this, is it? I think this is the one off the beach, but the film The Beach. Hi guys, to all my fans and followers, like and subscribe. Comment down below if you think this is the beach from the film. So we just met some gals and they told us this is indeed the beach from The Beach.
Update guys, Beth's being a little bitch.
Everyone thinks we're in a relationship and what's wrong with that? I'm a catch. People would come up to us and go, do you guys want a picture together? And we're like, no. And then they're like, oh. And it's so awkward. Funny though. You Can't say we didn't live life. That my brain right today can't process anything that is happening around me. In a good way. In a good way. Like, am I chilling on a beach that Leonardo Dicaprio filmed a film in Thailand? I am. Am I really taking notice of that fact? Not really. No, I've really enjoyed myself. I've really enjoyed today. It's been a great hangover. Like, it's really got me up and raring to go, because if we hadn't done this, we'd still be in bed right now. So people to get pictures. Well, that was slightly violating, I don't know. Felt a bit weird. I'm hashtag confused. So, like, sometime just asked for a picture with me, like I'm famous. That is what it must feel like to be famous. That is a jarring experience. That is a jarring experience. But it's less, I would imagine it being less jarring as a famous person, because you know why they want a picture.
Yeah.
Why did this man want a picture with me? I can't really explain it. I haven't got the words. We are leaving my bay. Back onto our lovely long-tail boat. Now in Le Lagoon. I decided to not go in because I'm tired. Ready? There's swimming his little heart out over there. Trying to find a shark, but I don't think you're gonna find it in this way. If he does, I'll be pretty jealous. Apparently, this is the place to see sharks. Wow! Let's go find some sharks, Fred! We had the decision to either leave or stay, and we're staying because we are troopers. We are so hungry, we are hungover. But guess what? It's once in a lifetime experience. You're not in Thailand every day, do you know what I mean? Like, I'm not gonna, I'm paying my 600 baht for this and getting my money's worth. I bloody love my life. Hi guys, you can't see me, but we're going to swim with the plankton, but you can't use light because then they won't light up. So you're not going to be able to see it, but to be fair, just imagine those little fireflies in the water, and like when you move they like light up. That's what it looks like. Why did I sound American then? Light up. Anyway, I'm gonna go swim with them. Bye bye. I actually feel a little bit emotional right now. Like, I'm here doing what I've always wanted to do. Living my best life, hey?